Hey guys, welcome to Creative Soft, and in this video we are going to do the full complete unboxing and review of the Samsung Galaxy M35 5G. This is one of the best phones available in the market for about 14,000 or less, and I got this for around 30,700 on Amazon. Check out the link in the description, and with various offers and all exchange offers, this can still come down. And in the box, definitely you don't get a charger, and what Samsung has provided is a SIM card ejector tool and a data cable, guys. That's it. And let me just open this particular phone and show it to you how beautiful this phone is. And the main reason for buying this phone is the battery and the camera, I would say. And I got this in this gorgeous blue color, which changes its shine and shimmers as the light hits on it. And this reminds me of my old Galaxy S23 or the Galaxy S24, because this is also having the triple camera array. If you all want more detail, just check out GSM Arena and search for the Galaxy M35 5G. And we have a dual SIM over here. The fingerprint is embedded in the power button, and we have a speaker and Type-C charging cable. And as you can see, the color is fantastic, guys. I haven't seen a phone, maybe even from Samsung, which under 15,000, which looks this good. And there is a texture, and I'll just show you which are the boxes while doing the setup, not to check or just uncheck this, so you all can just slow it down and check out, so that you all don't get ads. And if you like this kind of videos, hit that like button, subscribe to our channel, and please do not forget to press that bell notification icon. Also, you all can follow us on social media at the rate Creative Soft. And I'm using a darker theme for this setup. You all can use other ones like white or the lighter mode. And once you set this particular phone, guys, it is amazing to use, especially the one touch UI. It's my favorite for any Android phone. And Samsung have worked really hard on making their skin much more better and appealing. But there are also bloatwares and this weird screen which is straight from the S24 Ultra. And let me just show you some other things which I really hate. One of them is those apps which are like a bloatware, I would say. And especially they have a lot of this Amazon and Snapchat and other kind of Truecaller kind of app, which most of the people will be installing. And you can definitely uninstall it, guys, just by long pressing and dragging it on the screen, and just canceling your follow now. And again, most of the apps are not useful, and especially Netflix, if you are not using, and you can definitely uninstall this, which is not a big deal. But Samsung definitely needs to work on its bloatware, I would say. And there is no lag while using this particular phone, guys, and the battery life has been awesome. But don't expect 6000 mAh performance with this particular battery, because this lasts for a full day, not a 2 day chunk like the older Samsung phones. And you get Android out of the box, the latest one, and you have a triple camera array, which again is one of the fantastic things about this particular phone. And I wanted a dedicated telephoto, but I guess I'm asking too much for 14,000 price bracket. And as you can see over here, this is one of the best phones available in the market for under 14,000, guys, because after offers and all, it definitely the price comes less than 14,000. And as you can see, the camera is quite good. It was very impressive, and the ultra wide and 1x and 2x, etc. And also, surprising thing about this particular phone is that you get this pro mode, which is going to help you to shoot most of the photos in a better way. But then most of the time, when you are shooting, and if you are not a pro user, definitely you are going to use a normal and never going to use this pro. But this was useful for me to take long exposures, etc. And here are some sample files which I have clicked with this particular phone. As you can see, the the hibiscus image is very much clear, and even the yellow parts, I don't know what to call it, let me know in the comments below. It's very much visible, except in something like lens flare, which I saw on this particular phone. And even the shadows are not that great, guys. It doesn't expose everything. So, and if you're using the flash and all, it will just overexpose a lot of things, which I did not like it. Except for that, the selfie is quite good, surprisingly. And I'm personally liking this particular portrait mode with the selfie also. And if you see, the edge detection is on par, and it is very much clear, guys, which I really like about this. And definitely you can trust this particular phone for selfies and all. And I clicked a lot of photos with the grass and tiny little plants and all. And if you see the leaves and all, it's much more detailed, and for the same price range, I would say, because this phone is costing a lot more than 14,000, guys. maybe around 20,000. And as you can see, even in low light, sometimes the camera struggles, especially with this red color. But I really like this bike photo of mine which I clicked, and this is a fern plant which I also clicked. And let me just zoom and show it to you how it looks. And if you see the details, etc., it's quite good. Even the blur in the background is quite good. And what I really like about this particular phone, guys, it will never disappoint you in most of the cases, especially if you see the details. And there are tons of details, and even the noise is quite less, guys. So in for that particular price range, I feel this is one of the best phones available in the market. And what I really was enjoying was this wallpaper changing app, which you get with Samsung phones. I know you get with other phones like Realme or maybe Xiaomi also have that. But then I saw some ads over here. So again, Samsung also needs to work on that part. Maybe it is fixed in the latest update in the future. And again, coming to this, I would definitely recommend this phone to anybody who is looking for a phone with just a basic camera, I would say, and kind of a reliable phone with a 6,000 mAh battery. But the performance you cannot expect to game on this phone because it again comes with Exynos, which is a very old chipset, I would say. And as you can see over here, this is one of the good phones which you can buy, and definitely Samsung comes with a better chip for this phone. I hope you all enjoyed this video as much as we did while creating it. Please subscribe to our channel and do check out these awesome videos which we have it. Again, guys, let me know in the comments below what do you think about this particular phone, and if any videos I need to shoot in the future with this phone. Again, guys, thanks a lot for watching this video, and see you in my next video.